Hello everyone, welcome to another video where this time I'm in Cornwall. I'm currently in my grandparents' house and I don't know if you can hear the rain. It is chucking it down outside. It has been since we arrived. We arrived yesterday and it's currently Monday, by the way, about midday on Monday, but I've already been out today. We went to go get coffee, went to the beach, but yeah, the weather was just so bad. So what I've actually done is I've taken some photos, and I think for the next couple of hours and stuff, if ever I go out, I'm just going to take some more photos and sort of talk you through them later on, like in the video, because the weather is just too miserable to go out and record myself. So what I'm going to do is I took some photos at the beach where it was just raining badly, but yeah, I will talk you through those. I've got some clips of just how bad the rain was. I'll show you those and sort of just do this in sections. I'll show you the photos from the beach as well and talk through them. So let's do that. So this video format is going to be a little bit different because I didn't have a lot of time to actually record, and as you can probably tell, the weather was miserable. So the first day I went to a beach and managed to get some photos which I will display for you, but for the most part I'm just going to be showing you guys the the photos that I took when I took them. This was the second day where we went to a cider farm that I used to go to when I was a little kid, and there were peacocks as well that I managed to get photos of, so enjoy that and enjoy the gallery wall at the end. You know, I am sorry that this video is a bit different and that it's not as, I guess, riveting or exciting or thrilling, but I was mostly there to see family, so yeah, enjoy these photos and thanks for watching.